How do I transfer my Amazon gift card balance to another account?
Hey there! Welcome to this video tutorial on how to transfer your Amazon gift card balance to another account. If you have received an Amazon gift card and would like to share or move the funds to a different Amazon account, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the process step by step, so let's get started.
Checking gift card balance.
Before we transfer the gift card balance, it's important to check the current balance on the gift card. To do this, follow these steps. 1. Go to the Amazon website and sign in to the Amazon account that currently holds the gift card balance. 2. Once signed in, navigate to the Gift Cards section. You can usually find this under the Your Account drop-down menu. 3. In the Gift Cards section, click on View Gift Card Balance. This will display the current balance on your gift card. Make sure you note down the balance as you will need this information during the transfer process.
Contacting Amazon customer support.
Transferring gift card balances between accounts is not an automated process on Amazon. To proceed, you will need to contact Amazon customer support. Follow these steps. 1. Go to the Amazon website and sign in to the Amazon account that currently holds the gift card balance. 2. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and locate the Help or Customer Service link. Click on it. 3. In the Help section, you may find a Contact Us or Need More Help option. Click on it. 4. On the next page, you will be prompted to select a specific issue or topic. Choose Other Issues or Contact Us to proceed. 5. Now, you should see a range of contact options, such as phone, email, or chat. Choose the option that works best for you and initiate contact with Amazon customer support.
Explaining your request.
When you reach out to Amazon customer support, you need to explain your request clearly and concisely. Here's a general outline of what you should include. 1. State that you would like to transfer your Amazon gift card balance to another account. Be sure to provide the specific Amazon account email you want to transfer the funds to. 2. Mention the current balance on your gift card and verify the amount by referring to the information you obtained in Section 1. 3. It may be helpful to mention the reason why you want to transfer the balance, such as sharing the funds with a family member or consolidating multiple gift cards into one account.
Follow Amazon customer support instructions.
Once you have explained your request to Amazon customer support, they will guide you through the specific steps necessary to complete the transfer. Since the process is handled manually by Amazon, they will provide you with personalized instructions tailored to your situation. That's it. By following the steps outlined in this video, you should be able to transfer your Amazon gift card balance to another account. Remember to check your gift card balance, contact Amazon customer support, explain your request clearly, and follow their instructions. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who may benefit from this information. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Happy transferring!